Kidam tanga porhood nijang Karbi Anglong lapen Meghalaya ahoy langlongchor arong Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council amedu kerung ji podim kisik ponajok ahoy malom Karbi lapen comang mong soluk sodaka tomon Japon. Laso porhood pinpur ponme pinangan Karbi atum areng ahu kiso sitame ponanglo. Sonsi pinangajak dingklui apit socheng amreng Border Development Committee Hekpen SABDC atum ben cepatir piponsi jingki jithan cepat tepon bompen aru nipai ingkoranar kek surinila ingkora po arni langhempi forest IB along angdung kitia krung jingwa maya son edoponsi langlongchor arong prang ki bi pontang dimpen ha prangan tamchot adimansi puthot Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council amedu kerung karangkha ceget bi pontu lo pusi local amedu singteron pen herangke tumpan nang pachini anparta lahin hin jingki jingwa along Meghalaya khanduli yeben rongasar the hongchun bang lapen pinangan RD doki dojot abang photum nang chitongdun lapen lapu nijang Karbi Anglong pen setame rongasar pen chenglok local MLA taxation chairman Lipson Bay SABDC chairman Agustin Hanse hongchun bang Klis Amsong Hamren regional KAAC hongchun bang Anthony Tisopen chenglok pinangan manpeng ke dotum chitong pen monsam ke dower jalam RD chipirin TC mesen pen kaching ki jithan mai achul pon langhepi pen honorson timung report Kat News.
Pilih bangga mana kan cukup lang. Lekam kieng pon pola so alam tisi pilih kecil baik. Kedam tang May 16 2024 dak cewek but. Meghalaya pun dalo Karbi Anglong dalo lehat mana tu latung boda minister dalo jad dalo kau dak alang ente tu dalo dah so kecil kau tek pada bangke. Mana dak bangke ente tek bangke bahai longpo bahai nangpo. Kalau bahai pentang tak kacuri jebong bangke tu pembedaan nangpo pasti dah jadi lo. Jadi pilih bangke non tek season tu pen lada putot lasut inti tek putat elemen pitulok so elemen pipen putot lasut tek kerung punya pan tum kam kiceng pun sipini kedam tang cepet lam telong itu manga cepet lang lam te lasut ini cepet lang lo but tum ta lasut dison pen tek odan nang po odan pen lasut bangke tum kedam tang bangke dak kacuri jebong medet nang po kadang kita dak insam tu kudo lo pan but parti ta dak bangke Arpu dan podang fokus itu pilih bangkai cepet lang pun.
Adim kibi adim abang
tak. Kita langlongchor.
Langlongchor kayak adim.
Kayak adim pen asal tuang calo he. Bang calo. Asal bang se hiri non bangkai itu kade tak pada dah dolo eksesona chairman tak dolo. Apa yang tak kadue lihat tu dah dolo di tanah tong dolo. Kalau itu kantuli lawa lihat tu tak dolo. Kedam tang ke cukup alam teh cukup kelang pada alam teh bang itu piring bangkai kam ceng pon pop alam teh piring bangkai ikan kau cini pon alam teh lang.
Thank you.
What it said is they will wait for the government final solution. This indicates that I was speaking Karbi. So regarding that one is already defined. The boundary is already defined. So what this resolution states is that whatever within the boundary of the Karbi Anglong will be taken by the decision will be taken by the Karbi Anglong government. And outside the boundary of the Karbi Anglong, that is within the Meghalaya, then whatever the resolution should be taken, should be taken by the government of Meghalaya. But itung iklan na ye bangke, we should maintain peace and we should maintain respect. So regarding that, what we should discuss is how to maintain peace and how to respect the resolution of the government of the Karbi Anglong and whatever resolution taken by the government of the Meghalaya. So regarding this, what I want to say is that now the government of Karbi Anglong is taken the resolution that the entry cap should be installed within the boundary of the Karbi Anglong. So what we have to think, what we have to see is that where is that point? Where to install? Where to install? You have to pinpoint the place, and that pinpoint area should be discussed among us. It should not be in the government. So regarding that, we have to point out the place. We have to show the place. And regarding that, we should not be confused or we should not be misunderstanding. Lastly, itung dato kita lalu, je udak si itung insun mal akan kumrena. As per our decision, we have to place to the government. And from the government side, itung kajian long bangki.
Di ubram lang di. Dan ya kata kamu komisi dia kata untuk prai, dia kata untuk prai gitu kan. Iwan ini, iwan orang rumah jenong ini, pun rumah Agustin Hansi, kam dia cem. Ngai por dia lah ada bino. Dan orang tegaya mak agenda, orang olah tiba tu. Dan mentu ya kelam ini sepang kata agenda lagi kan. Udur ini deh, awan ini pi, akan dulu. Dan agenda orang ini bino. Perang orang ini kata agenda mau iklan. Kam ni yang pergi dulu le, wan lang, baik nak kata agenda baik itu sangat terus. Mentu ini itu pertanyaan dia. Dia tu ni orang dia ukuran bibi, B ini bentu, dia license nong dia baik ini kubur. Dia baik kubur, dan ni dia, you pun ni you Agustin ni you pi, you pun ni dia. We are one we are back here time. You buat.
Salah kali itu lah kau tanglang sih ini nanti pun.
Man kami sih man klaim tertib temut boleh ada halor ada dia klaim temut ilem klaim tertib temut yo direct. Sih langsung lo dilipu bang tindak dari clear lo mesti ada situation mata clear dulu. The Assam government nggak hong lo Assam government ni Karbiang government lo non ke order pitai lo la sipini ke ini tuh mah kira ke kipilo mudhe mo na itu nili tuh harus par je na tu na so ba alam detna sih pancalo mati mudhe la dak nomor 2 lo betul lo mudhe tuh na na tambe churi chho chhuman chbong chho bang cek ke donang ne
Perang itu putar, nampak dia ini tu nak, nampak dia sudah dalam orang ini pusing tu.
Oh, kasi nanda ke cingkim re ni thai delo. Pena da ke la register nong da kam lok ske trich nong khain duli. Dan te perkhat parpet chairman mo dem trekias langsiang member yang senong dem te casting ne ini mo the chief on the M1 the M Y no room the M J the car the M P room by the M definitely where itu slum by ini cepat shortcut lo mati tapi kan rumut hi tu Dr. BS Langhang kita man ke border magistrate West Yenche Hills depende ni ide okay lo karbi man da buket situ ile mo de man kam de brahi de mo de man yauri em kam yo
speech from Karbi side Sir Anthony Teron Secretary Socheng Ambreng Border Development Committee speech from Phanar side Sir D Kharsijing ex MLA so even Sir ex MLA D Kharsijing also present on that day. Resolution number 2. After a prolonged discussion on entry tax gate at Langlongchor AME, Bote community of Khanduli region agreed the installation of tax gate by Assam government in the coming days, and both sides should not disturb in any ways. 2. After thorough discussion from both sides, the Peace Committee of Khanduli region decided to maintain peace and harmony. Let the government decide regarding entry tax gate to be installed. They will wait for the government final solution. 3. Let the two village AME and Khanduli will discuss only in village level regarding village boundary for further clarification to maintain peace and harmony in near future. 3.
Kenapa mana AMI pen?
AME and Khanduli. Khanduli.
okay no
Resolution number 3. Both sides agree that no illegal construction of any project or planting of trees, etc. will be done unless joint inspection from both administration. 4. Both sides agreed to pay tax at Assam Revenue Office in case of property land is within Assam jurisdiction. The applicant will show land documents to village headman in any form. Whoever not have a land pata will have to make it immediately from ARO office Donka. 5. The community has agreed to control the collection of vegetables, hunting, fishing illegally. If any person violations of the rules, they have to pay fine of rupees 50,000 and imprisonment as per the decision taken from both communities. 6. The community has agreed not to disturb whatever project development taking place. Let both the government take their directions. 7. Whatever the committee taken decision is final. Therefore, the committee bears the responsibility to tell or inform to respective villages regarding the past resolution. It will take 4 days to give back a consent letter to Khandali village regarding free movement and cultivations, etc. That's all. So, this one we have to discuss.
Right, the second round, aku dak cerai loh. Ini tahu pasal di second round aku stop it. Tapi regarding namba aku cing vai tu nak lagi right tap. Right tap mana? Ni bhai tu jab raha ni ga kesen ko This is the second round of talk regarding the resolution gate, and it's the resolution has already passed. And now you wanted to collect again. You start again. What is this resolution? This is useless. That means that meeting what we have discussed there, that is nothing. It is only a part of a game, right? So it is already passed. And why should we put an extend another 1 month to sit and talk again? That will be another. This second round is we can cancel it. Start it fresh. Fresh month to the pumati. Nono bang aku ciployan pisin itu mat cipang rum tunang aku lagi kita tak pakai. Maka direct nanti pun itu program bukan direct belum tu. Aku pus nama itu macam si pus cibi mati. Tapi lalu yang kan itu pesan gua apa itu teks dia. Benar yang dah pergi muncul. Tapi orang yang lang yang cisin bukor dengan jingrai mus kamu mana? Itu ada ke? Ini kamu tahu ke jingrai ke was orang baik ini penbaik pernah. Ini tu jingrai bukan alien.
Kali ka jingrai long claim akor.
Teman ko kan. Kipan bor yang